Hello. So in this video I'm going to tell you how I'm going to share with you how one can make the PC boot faster. So to do that, on your keyboard, there's my keyboard, press Windows and R button, Windows and R button. So we have that Windows popping up, so type msconfig. So typing msconfig, and then I'm going to click OK. So after clicking OK, we have this one there. So the next thing you're going to select is boot, and then you're going to click advanced option. So here under number of processors, you're going to select the highest. After selecting the highest, you're going to click OK and then apply. Okay, so the next thing, you're going to restart your computer. So after restarting your computer, that's how you can fix your computer so that it can boot within seconds. Thank you.